This 5-minute solution will show you how to buy an Amazon Prime Video Premium subscription on iPhone. Follow these easy steps to do it. First of all, open a browser on your iPhone and open primevideo.com. Then make sure to log into your Amazon Prime Video account. Once you logged in, tap on your profile photo. Tap on Account and Settings. Select your account and tap on Set Payment Method. Now all you have to need just set up here your credit or debit card. Enter here your card information, then tap on Add Your Card. Once you added your card, Amazon Prime Video Premium subscription will be activated. So that's how we can get premium subscription of Amazon Prime Video on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe. 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.